Have you ever felt your career is running on a treadmill? You're doing a lot of running and exercising, but really going nowhere. Don't worry. In my career, I have come across a number of brilliant professionals, excellent skills, excellent track record, but struggling to market themselves for leadership positions. Hi, I am Prakash Kewalramani, promoter of Impact HR Services. Since the last 30 years, we have been guiding senior professionals to succeed in their career. It's not just having a good and strong resume that is going to carry you through. There are many other factors that are required to succeed in getting your dream job. Please keep in mind, it is not the best qualified candidate who gets a job. It's a candidate who is well qualified, yes, of course, that's required, and also well networked and connected. After all, keep in mind that your network is your net worth. You must have a strong resume that beats the bots and also a strong LinkedIn profile that is easily accessible, visible, and credible for recruiters to take note of you and call you for interviews. You need to understand the psyche of a recruiter. What exactly is a recruiter looking for when he's looking for people for his company? So how do you master the game and move on to your dream role? That's where my 2 hours power-packed interactive workshop sessions comes in. Make the best move right now. Register.
Explore India's first placement guarantee PG diploma in digital business management and e-commerce. Get 15K per month if not placed. Visit us at www.avastha.in.